Okay, these are virgin extractions. Trying to give that a try. Okay, there was 2, 3. Okay, so there's one that needs to be adjusted. And I'm going to adjust it right now. Hopefully. I can do this looking through the camera. That is a bummer. Okay, I turned it a quarter turn. I think it's going in and hasn't hit the stop. Let's see if it mattered. Can't tell if this is in focus or not. Okay, it did come out. I probably need to adjust it just a little bit more. Again, I hope I haven't hit the stop. I'm not sure if I have or not. I'm going to try for another quarter turn. I think I got it. Okay, they're tight. Let's see if I get an improvement. Yeah, I think I did. Okay, so that's that one. Now, that was no longer a virgin, so I'm going to try another one right now. That is a virgin. I mean, mark it is no longer a virgin here. Okay. Improvement. Definitely. Okay, so there indicates the purpose of being able to adjust these. So that was a virgin connector right there. And let's see if it still has, yeah, the other one connected right back in, so it didn't really do damage to the connection, to the latches. Okay, so I call that a success. That's for the version, that's for the male. Now I'll do the female. Let me put these back. I'll just leave those off to the side. Let me change it out here. and come in with the female. All right, here's the female one. Not sure, there's the latch clip right there. There's the latch, I mean for the connector itself. These go in there, kind of line them up. There they are. And pull back on this before you push it in. You know, pull the wires snug against, as if you're pulling them out before you insert the extractor. I'm not sure if it went all the way in. It should latch. But these are not exactly the same. Okay, so let's see if that'll work. Yep. I call that a success. The downside is that it does affect the latch slightly because they are really not spring steel, but you can always get them ideally, if you could adjust that just so it's perfect, in theory it wouldn't cause the latch to be embedded in its little position. In the worst case, you can take this, a knife blade, like a little X-Acto blade, and just bend it up slightly to the point you want. And that solves that problem. It's another operation, but there's a good chance that these extractors could be adjusted or tuned to where this latch could be saved from being embedded into its little position, but I'm not sure. They really aren't very springy, but they are quite resilient. I found you can rebend them multiple times. But that's as far as I've gotten, and I'm not sure how to exactly deal with this, keeping the latches, improving on that. But that gives you a good example. Again, the tuning is definitely a benefit. That might be able to be adjusted. Okay, that's it.